Swire Shipping Fijian Drua is hoping to continue their winning streak against Moana Pasifika this weekend. Fijian Drua head coach Glenn Jackson is confident that his players will deliver what is expected out of them in the match against Moana Pasifika.
Swire Shipping Fijian Drua head coach Glenn Jackson knows that it will not be a walk in the park as they prepare to meet the Moana Pasifika this weekend.
Preparing after a win is one of the new things, so it was good for the boys to obviously slog out a pretty important, impressive win. I thought it was pretty hard work out there in the heat and the field, so we've sort of had to look after them, making sure that they're refreshed, because we know Moana are a massive team. Have gone well this year, top point scorer in terms of their tries, where they're at. So defensively, we have to be really switched on and ready for the Battle of the Pacific, and we know they'll be pumped up for it as much as we are.
Jackson says that Wilibe Miramira will not be available this weekend due to injury.
Just think good battle of the islands. I think it was, it's Fiji versus Samoa and Tonga. And if you can't get up for that, then there's something wrong. I think I know there's going to be a good crowd over there. Like I said, I think Tana's done an amazing job with that team and getting them playing really well this year. They'll be hurting after a couple of losses, but they've certainly had some really good wins as well. So it's going to be a good time for both teams to step up and show what they've learnt over the year.
He praises the coaching staff of Moana Pasifika for building up the team to where it is today.
So yeah, I know they'll be up for it, and I certainly know after today's training we'll be up for it. So you'll get some good hits. It's always exciting, isn't it, when the Pacific brothers come together and show what they're about. I'd say both camps are highlighting the importance of winning it for their island nation. So we're looking forward to it. Also, there's some pretty classy and fast backs on show on both teams. So it's going to be about the battle up front, winning that, and then unleashing some pretty special backs to try and score the points.
Swire Shipping Fijian Drua will take on Moana Pasifika on Saturday at 4:35 p.m. at North Harbour Stadium in New Zealand. Moa Pimbilo, Fiji One News.